Hello friends, welcome to Easy English Bookshelf. Today we will be reading the advanced version of the book. Read along to enhance your skills while speaking at regular speed. Thanks for joining us today. Once upon a time, a little girl named Mai lived in a small village nestled in the lush green mountains of China. Mai was a curious and adventurous girl who loved exploring the wonders of her village. One evening, as Mai was strolling through the village square with her parents, she saw something that caught her eye, a dazzling array of colorful Chinese lanterns hanging from the trees. Each lantern shimmered and glowed, casting a magical light that filled the air with enchantment. "Wow!" exclaimed Mai, her eyes wide with wonder. "Look at all the beautiful lanterns." Her parents smiled and nodded, knowing how much Mai loved anything that sparkled and shined. Her mother explained that the lanterns are part of the Lantern Festival celebration. People hang them to bring good luck and happiness for the coming year. Mai clapped her hands with excitement and asked if they could make their own. Her mother chuckled and said, "Of course, my dear. Let's gather the materials and make the most magnificent lantern the village has ever seen." Mai and her parents spent the next few days crafting their lantern. They carefully folded colorful paper into intricate shapes and designs, adding glitter and ribbons to make it sparkle even more. Mai's heart swelled with joy as she worked alongside her parents, knowing that their lantern would be the most beautiful of them all. Finally, the day of the Lantern Festival arrived. The village square was alive with music, laughter, and the scent of delicious food flowing through the air. Mai and her parents proudly carried their lantern to the square, where they joined the festivities with the rest of the villagers. As night fell, the villagers lit their lanterns and released them into the sky. Mai watched in awe as the night was filled with a breathtaking display of color and light, the lanterns soaring higher and higher like stars dancing in the heavens. But then, something unexpected happened. Mai's lantern began to glow even brighter, emitting a soft, magical light that seemed to draw everyone's attention. Gasps of amazement filled the air as the lantern floated gracefully above the others, its brilliance shining like a beacon in the night. Suddenly, a gentle breeze swept through the square, causing Mai's lantern to drift away from the others and into the dark forest beyond the village. Mai's heart pounded with fear as she watched her beloved lantern disappear into the shadows. Without hesitation, Mai followed her lantern into the forest, her parents close behind. As they ventured deeper into the woods, they heard a soft tinkling sound echoing through the trees. Following the sound, they stumbled upon a hidden clearing bathed in moonlight, where they found Mai's lantern hovering above a small pond. To their amazement, the pond was filled with shimmering water lilies, their petals glowing softly in the darkness. Mai reached out to touch one of the flowers, and as her fingers brushed against its delicate petals, she felt a warm, tingling sensation spreading through her body. With a gasp of wonder, Mai realized that the magic of her lantern had transformed the ordinary pond into a place of extraordinary beauty and wonder. Mai and her parents gazed in awe at the enchanting scene before them. They knew that their lantern had brought them not only luck and happiness, but also a moment of pure magic that they would cherish forever. From that day on, whenever Mai looked up at the night sky and saw a Chinese lantern glowing in the darkness, she would remember the magical adventure that had brought her closer to her family and the wonders of the world around her. She knew that no matter where life took her, the magic of the lantern would always light her way. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for another fun lesson. See you tomorrow!